Tanya with NV Property Management. Now that spring is in full swing and the winter months are behind us, now is the perfect time to start preparing your rental property for the spring. Seasonal maintenance is key to keeping your investment functioning at optimal levels. Taking preventative measures now, such as scheduling an air conditioning tune-up or cleaning out your gutters, can help you avoid costly repairs in the future. At NV Property Management, we recommend completing preventative maintenance on your rental versus very costly and sometimes emergent repairs later. We always keep in mind the classic saying, you can pay me now or you can pay me later. So if you are interested in paying those costly repair bills later, then keep listening to today's video where I'm going to talk about NV Property Management spring rental property maintenance tips. All right, tip number 1 is schedule HVAC tune-ups. Your AC unit has been neglected all winter long. So before tenants switch the thermostat to cool, schedule an appointment with an HVAC professional to inspect your air conditioning unit. If your air conditioning unit is working at peak performance, you can still extend the life of your unit and save money on repairs by having your unit serviced. A professional will thoroughly clean your unit and check for any possible leaks. This is also a good time to change out your air filter to reduce the wear and tear on your unit and improve the airflow in the home. Tip number 2, trim your trees. While any home can benefit from the shade and beauty of trees, they can also become large and overgrown. Take the time to remove broken branches or those limbs that might be growing too close to your roof line. Doing this now can prevent damage to your investment property and keep your tenants safe from a falling limb. Keep your trees beautiful and healthy by removing dead or diseased branches. To ensure your trees are safely and properly trimmed, consider hiring a professional tree trimmer. They can help you ensure the trees are cut back away from the home and especially any power lines. Number 3 is repair your roof. Snow and ice can wreak havoc on your roof throughout the long winter months. Once the snow is melted and the roof is completely bare, do a visual inspection of your roof. Look for any shingles that may have shifted or lifted during the winter months. Another sign of roof damage is if any of your shingles are cracked or missing. Delaying any roof repairs can turn a small leak into a big problem for your home. If your roof looks like it needs attention, make sure to contact a professional roofer for repairs. Tip number 4 is clean out your rain gutters. Debris from winter snow and windstorms, as well as spring flowering trees, can easily clog your gutters. While it may seem like a hassle, it's very important to make sure your gutters are clear of debris so they don't overflow from spring and summer showers. Overflowing gutters can not only damage your foundation, but they can also cause basement flooding and water problems. Your rain gutters are there to protect your home's foundation, roof, and walls by controlling the flow of rainwater from your roof. Neglecting your gutters can lead to mold or water damage to the exterior or interior of your home. If you aren't up for climbing on a ladder yourself, there are plenty of contractors that can easily do this work for you. All right, tip number 5, inspect your windows. With warmer days just around the corner, you want to make sure the air conditioning is cooling the inside of your home and not escaping through leaks or cracks. You don't want your tenants to have to pay to cool the outdoors. Start by caulking or adding weather stripping to your windows that have escaping air. This will also benefit your tenants in the winter months as well by keeping all heated or cool air inside the home where it belongs. This is also a good time to inspect your window screens for any damage to repair or possibly even replace the entire screen itself. At NV Property Management, we are able to complete most of our spring property maintenance in-house. By doing this, we save our owners hundreds of dollars on their investment property expenses. When any maintenance falls out of our area of expertise, we use only the most qualified and affordable contractors in northern Utah to help prepare your home for the summer months. That's it for today's video. I hope this information on spring maintenance for your northern Utah investment property was helpful. If spring maintenance seems a little too overwhelming and stressful and you want help choosing a northern Utah property management company with years of experience, please contact us at NV Property Management. We are a wealth of information when it comes to professional property management of your investment property. You can always ask us for valuable tips and extra resources to make the choice simple and painless. Give us a call today at 801-337-4337 or visit our website at nvpm.com. That's envypm.com, where you can easily view our 3-tiered pricing plan so you can choose a package that best fits you and your needs.